Hello everyone, my name is Brian Forbes and this is my Module 1 introduction for AEP 855 Educational Leadership. A little bit of information about me and my current position. I'm currently an 8th grade English teacher at Monticello Trails Middle School, including just my normal teaching duties. I'm also the lead teacher in the building. That just kind of means that I help with professional development and some other issues that are, kind of managerial type things, leading certain meetings and issues like that. It also means that I'm 6th in charge, so when the principals are out of the building and the counselors are gone, I'm the acting principal in the building. So it doesn't happen very often, but it is kind of an interesting thing, especially when I get to do athletic events. I fill in the role of an administrator on duty as well. So I'm also the team leader for 8th grade. So there's 2 teams in 8th grade. I'm there's 2 team leaders, one for each team, but I'm the leader of the 2 leaders. So when I go to our leadership team meetings, I'm kind of the spokesperson for all of 8th grade. And then I'm also, as I said, the team leader for my particular team. So I help lead our SIP meetings for our school improvement teams, and then also for our PBIS meetings and our PLCs as well. And then in addition to all that, I'm also a football coach and a basketball coach, so I stay pretty busy throughout the year. The major influences on my career and my life as a whole really start with my father. He was a single dad. He and my mother divorced when I was very young. I'm the 3rd child of all 3 boys. So he didn't have a whole lot. We didn't have a whole lot, growing up. But, he worked more than full time, and did everything he could to give us what we could have. But he was really more about, making memories and having a relationship with us, and he's really impacted me probably the most out of anyone. Second to my father would be my wife, Brietta. She has been, pretty much everything that's helped me from basically getting into college and deciding on a career path. She's very, very influential to me in my life, and I definitely wouldn't be where I'm at now without, her support. Next would be my daughter, Cameron. She's just turned 2 yesterday, on July 4th, actually. But, just having a daughter, she's my firstborn. Just definitely she's changed my entire outlook on life, and just, being empathetic towards others, and especially the plight of children in need, and, where other parents are coming from. Being a teacher, you try and be open-minded, but being a parent, really has helped with that. And then also my coworkers. I learn something from all coworkers, whether it's positives or negatives. But they're definitely, especially since coming here from Oklahoma to Kansas in the last 5 years, the coworkers I currently have taught me so much, and they're just a source of educational knowledge and teaching practices, and I wouldn't be the kind of teacher I am today without them. So I took that personality test, and my results are up on the screen. You can see that in each of the 5 categories, I'm kind of scoring above a 60% in all of them. My highest categories were my emotional stability, which I completely agree with. I really don't allow my emotions to guide my decisions, but I do try and be empathetic towards, the needs and the perceptions of others. And then conscientious as well. That was another high score at 80 points. And so again, I like to think of others and their needs. I didn't necessarily agree with the score on my intellect or imagination. I think maybe that score was mainly a result of the fact that I'm not overly confident or exuding my, I have the right answers all the time. But I really feel like I have a stronger imagination than that as well. So my 2 leadership styles that I found were participative and situational. So there's some pictures there. One's George Washington for participative. It's very democratic in nature, wanting to include the ideas, the opinions of others, and get everyone to work together to accomplish a goal. And the other one is John Wooden, which is situational. And that one is basically about being flexible and creative and not kind of pinning yourself down to one leadership style, understanding that everybody has different kinds of motivations and different needs, and you've got to be a different kind of leader for different people. So that really kind of fits my, opinions or beliefs more even than participative. But both are good examples of what I think. So really that's it. That's my introduction video. Thanks everybody for watching, and I look forward to learning from all of you.